The whole planting process was fairly straightforward and easy. We laid out where we wanted all the different plants, and then we would start by planting one, digging the hole, getting it wet, and then putting the plant in and rotating it how we wanted, and then just packing the soil in around it, which is what we did throughout them all. And we would go stages by stages and just make sure the layout was still how we wanted it. The Bloomin' Easy plants we chose, we started with the candelabra hydrangea in the corner so that we could get the height eventually, and also so that we can cut the blooms when they're ready. We added the Afterglow Weigela in front so that we can kind of combine the colors and get some different textures and heights. And then they're also good in the full sun, which is what we have most of the time here. Our backyard is fairly sunny always, so we needed something that could handle that. We also chose the Bella Sols so that we could have a lower element as well, and that we could also have a different color come into play. We have the peonies, which we planted so that we could have cut flowers also. And then they also are pink, which will match the hydrangea and the Afterglow. We have the panther so that we can get a height eventually also, and a contrast in color. We were really hoping for a green and contrasting look, which I think is what we've accomplished by adding those. We also added the daphne so that we can have some winter interest and eventually shape them into cute little bushes. And at the end we added raspberries so that we can easily pick them and they'll grow larger eventually.
So to finish up the process after planting, we threw mulch around just the whole garden bed up to the plants. We then watered and finished off with some fertilizer.
We're really looking forward to enjoying our backyard and seeing all the beautiful flowers bloom. Since we moved in, it's really just been bare back there, so it'll be so nice to just look out our windows and see all the flowers in bloom.
Being someone who's often forgetful and likes checklists and reminders, I'm really glad that we went with the Bloomin' Easy series, as they come with care reminders, which is awesome. So you'll never forget to do what you need to do to keep them looking awesome.
For someone first starting out and feeling nervous about redoing their backyard or garden area, I would say it's much easier than it looks. There's lots of YouTube videos out there for you to get ideas and how-tos on different things, and you really just have to start and hope for the best.
Yeah. The hardest part is just starting, but once you do, you kind of start getting a vision, and if you don't like something, it's fine, just change it. Definitely feel more confident, I'd say. Eager to do another part of the garden, I guess, yeah.